Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, all signs. So this is your messages, energy check-ins, and prediction. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe. And yeah, hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and syempre, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. And yeah, ganun rin pagdating po kay Perception of Light. Okay, and yeah, if you're interested sa ating Evil Eye bracelet, sa ating all-in-one Evil Eye bracelet, sa ating Evil Eye ring, and sa ating Evil Eye necklace, so just message me. Okay, message me lang po, no? Sa akin pong FB page for more info. Okay. So, uh-huh. Okay. So, let's start. Air signs. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Anong message for you? Anong kailangan mong malaman? Anong kailangan mong marinig? Okay. The King of Pentacles in reversed and the Page of Wands. So, meron ditong business na hindi nagiging maganda ang takbo. Bakit? Kailangan pong what? Kailangan meron ditong i-level up. Okay? Yeah, pagmamanage po. Okay? Meron ditong mag-a-absent. May boss na mag-a-absent. Yes. Or sabihin natin in general, may a-absent ngayon sa trabaho. Or yeah, kinabukasan. Kung anong nasa date. Okay, may a-absent. Yes. Maybe, iba rin naman sa inyo is parang may mga hindi masimulan-simulan na business. Okay, may mga plano na, kulang na lang is execution. Okay? So, yeah. Some of you, kung kailangan mong may partner, kung may kailangan ka like katulong, parang ganyan, kumuha ka. No? Kasi kung ikaw, sa tingin mo, hindi mo kaya ng ikaw lang, wag mong gawin. Ha? Okay? Kung ano sa tingin mo, kailangan mo, yun ang kunin mo, yun ang gawin mo. Okay? The Five of Swords in reverse. The Seven of Pentacles. Okay. So, meron ditong parang naghihintay na maging okay, naghihintay na makipag-ayos, something, yeah. Regarding, pwedeng new beginning, a second chance, parang ganyan, okay? So, iba sa inyo, naghihintay ng visa. And yes, mabibigyan na kayo ng visa. Okay? Napaka-specific nung nakuha ko na yon. Okay. What else? Air signs. The Knight of Cups. The Queen of Wands. Meron ditong nanliligaw or meron gustong manligaw. Okay, may mga nagkakagusto sa inyo, air signs. Actually, meron. Okay? So, may someone dito. Yes, meron silang emosyon pagdating sa inyo. Okay, gustong gumawa ng action towards you, pero andyan yung parang nai-intimidate sila. Like, nakakatakot kang lapitan, like, nakakahiya kang lapitan, parang ganyan. Okay? So, kasi maybe they're, feeling intimidated, like, overwhelmed, parang ganyan yung iba. Okay? So, nandyan yung hiya, parang I don't know, pwede kasing you're someone na pwedeng maganda or gwapo. Ganun na, as simple as ganun. Okay? Pwede kasing, okay, baka ma-reject ako nito. Parang ganyan, okay? So, may mga nagkakagusto sa inyo actually. Yun lang masasabi ko. And meron ding gustong gumawa ng action towards you dahil gusto ka nila. Okay, yun lamang ang nakikita ko. Next. Fire signs. Okay. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Okay. Anong message ang kailangan mong marinig? Fire signs. The Page of Swords. Someone is watching you. Someone is stalking you. Yeah, a stalking energy. The Seven of Swords. They're like, um, a cat, no? Tiptoe na naglalakad. Like, para hindi mo sila marinig. Like that. Okay? Someone is like hiding a secret from you. Mm-hmm. Someone is thinking of you. Fire signs. Someone is thinking of you. Someone is watching you. But yeah, they're silent. Pwedeng air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay? They want to know everything. Kung ano bang meron sa inyo. Like, yeah. Mm-hmm. The Fool in reverse. The Hanged Man in reverse. Risked. May naririnig ako, risked. Okay? Some of you magkakaroon ng plano pagdating sa travel in the near future. Saving for a travel. Parang ganyan. So, meron ditong Aries and the Pisces na gustong gumawa ng action pagdating sa'yo. Okay? So, maybe nagpaplano. Maybe gumagawa na sila ng plano ngayon pa lang. Okay? Para magawa ng maganda. Kung ano man ito. I don't know. Okay? So, yeah. What else? For fire signs. The Three of Wands in reverse. The Nine of Cups. There's a surprise coming. May surprise dito. Okay? Yung hindi nyo inaasahan. So, this is like unexpected. Yun nga surprise. Okay? Tingnan ko to. Antong Three of Wands. Some of you, you're turning your back to someone and choosing na magkaroon ng peace of mind, magkaroon ng healing, parang ganyan. Okay, yeah. Avoiding. Okay, may pag-avoid na mangyayari. So, as simple as avoiding na mag-reply sa isang tao para sa peace of mind. Parang ganun. Okay? Yeah. I'm seeing you healing in the near future. Maybe, ngayon pa lang nangyayari na. Okay, so next. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, anong kailangan mong malaman? Water signs. Anong kailangan nyong malaman? Anong kailangan nyong malaman? Okay. Yeah, I need to shuffle. Okay. The Knight of Pentacles in reverse. Okay, some of you need to save, or some of you have to watch your spending. The Five of Swords in reverse. Yeah. Iba sa inyo, kailangan yung iwasan yung palaging, I don't know Okay, this is specific. I'm seeing some of you is talaga namang ganyan, 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 ganyan. Parang namumudmud ng pera. Okay? Parang ganyan. So, yeah, the Five of Swords in reverse. Kasi, ang nakikita ko rin, ito specific. I'm seeing some of you na parang gagastos ng malaki para sa sarili to improve. Merong i-improve yung iba sa inyo. Okay? Gusto nyo magkaroon ng improvement pagdating sa status. Parang ganyan. Yeah. Okay? I'm seeing here a major operation for some of you. A major operation. Okay? Ano to? Rhinoplasty. Water signs. Oo, yung mga opera-operasyon, yan, nakakita ko ng ganyan. Okay? Para rin naman sa parang ganyan eh. Like, para kasi sa akin, parang ganyan. Pero, yun nga, kung sa tingin ninyo is makakapag-provide yan ng something like confidence sa inyo, why not? 'Di ba? And kumpara nyo naman yan. The Chariot in reverse. There's a Cancerian who is feeling like, sabihin natin, can't move on, trapped. Yeah, still waiting. Yeah, meron ditong expecting na magkakaroon ng improvement. Okay? Yeah. Someone is expecting you na improve. May naghihintay sa inyo na mag-improve ka. Water signs, especially Cancerians. Okay? May naghihintay sa'yo. In general. I don't know. They're waiting. Some of them, they're invested. Still. Okay? The Hermit in reverse. Someone is sad. Yeah, the Fool. Pagdating sa isang decision. Okay? Someone take risk. Parang ganyan. Yeah. The Three of Cups. This is an energy of reconciliation. Mga ganyan. May energy rito, water signs, na kailangan yung parang i-let go muna yung kung ano man ang gusto. Okay? For you to grow. Yeah, for you to grow. Kasi nakikita ko every time na nandyan yung mga ginugusto nyo, hindi nyo magawa yung mga dapat nyong gawin eh. Okay? So, para silang sabihin nating nagiging hadlang. Okay? Kahit sabihin nating hindi naman sila masama, intention nila is hindi masama, ang nakikita ko, this is the reason why you're not improving, why you're not growing. Parang kailangan mo talaga na magkaroon ng experience. Parang ganyan. Kailangan mong matutong gumaod ng iyo. Parang ganyan eh. Okay? Kasi kailangan. Parang ganyan kailangan. Mahirap, malungkot, pero kailangan. This is like a start. May nag-end para may mag-start. Like that. Okay? So, and yeah, mayroon pa rin naghihintay. Kung sino man, I don't know. Okay? So, there. Next. Earth signs. Oops. Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorns. So, anong message for you guys? Okay. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Earth signs. May bumate. Happy Valentine's. Okay. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorns. Okay. The Seven of Pentacles and the High Priestess. Someone is waiting. Someone is watching you. A Cancerian. Okay. Maybe you're waiting for a Cancerian or a Cancerian is waiting over. Parang ganyan. Vice versa. There's no talking. No communications at all. Okay? May mga naghihintay dito ng kasagutan. May mga natututo. Okay? Some of you, pwedeng meron kayong mga simulan, no, na bagong gawain. May mga pag-aaralang bago, may mga gagawing bago, may mga tutuklasing bago. Okay? So, what else? The King of Wands in reverse. And the Eight of Wands. So, meron ditong parang sabihin nating nag-back out dahil feeling nila is hindi sila ah, parang hindi mo makaka-level like that. Parang ganyan. Okay? So, ang tingin nila sa sarili is low. Low. Fire sign, Sagittarius to be exact. Fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Meron ditong person na parang ang tingin sa sarili nila is low. Or talagang ganun lang talaga sila. Like, hanggang dito lang ako. Parang ganun. Okay? Pero gusto ka ng mga to. Wala silang ginagawa kasi tingin nila sa sarili nila, hindi nila kaya. Mayroon ditong taong gusto ka. Gusto ka nila pero hindi nila kaya. Dahil pinangungunahan nila yung sarili nila na hindi daw nila kaya. Okay? Hindi daw nila kaya. See? They want you. They like you. If this is a past person, they still like you. Hindi nila gagawin na humanap ng iba. Water sign. Okay, hindi nila gagawin humanap ng iba kasi ikaw lang yung gusto. Parang tingin nila sa sarili nila, wala na makaka-appreciate sa akin. Si earth sign lang. Parang ganon. Oh no, this is sad. Okay, so meron ako dito nakuhang pagdating sa business, pagdating sa career, may delay. Okay, there's a delay. Kailangan ng new, ang tawag ito, new management. Parang ganyan. May dapat baguhin sa pagmamanage. Okay, the Four of Pentacles. May mga bibilihin yung iba sa inyo. Okay. Iba sa inyo, labas ng labas yung pera. Yeah, the Hierophant. Commitments. I'm hearing commitments. Okay, so some of you, okay, i-clarify ko to kasi titingnan ko kung tama yung nasa isip ko. What's with this? The Four of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah, So, I think this is like, sabihin nating, the Six of Swords. This is like, yung wala pa man, sa'yo yung pera, nagagastos na. Okay? Baguhin mo yung ganun. Wala pa man sa'yo yung pera, nagagastos na. Okay? So, the Hierophant, sabihin nating, a commitment. Okay? May darating sa'yo, may mag-aalok sa'yo, bili ka nito, ganto, ganyan. Wala pa akong pera, parang ganun. Sasabihin niya, sige, saswelduhan mo na lang. Sige, pabili ako 5. Ha? Okay? So, yes. 'Di ba? Oo. Real talk 'yun. May mga nangyayaring ganyan. Sa akin nga, nangyayari yun Aminado ko dun. Pero, di ba? So, ito yung sinasabi. Pwedeng may mangyaring ganyan. Pero, yeah, kung kayang iwasan. So, pwedeng gawing gabay ito. Kung may mangyari mang ganyan. Okay? Kasi pwedeng may paglalaan ng pang mas importante pwedeng magagamit mo yung pera na, nakakommit na tong pera kong ito, babayad ko doon. Kasi sabi ko, babayaran ko siya. Tapos mayroon palang mangyayaring like, meron ka ibang bayarin. Darating, may mga something like that. Okay? So, yeah. Nag-share. I can't. So, yun, no? Ang aking nakikita for you. Yeah. Okay, iba na, well, may mga nahabol pang message. Someone is letting you go, pero is still invested. Oh my God. Nandyan pa rin sila. Lalayo sa'yo pero hihintayin ka pa rin. Oh, wow! I can't. Oo, may mga ganyan. Even though hindi kayo magkausap, may silence dan, nandyan pa rin. They're still committed pagdating sa'yo. Sino to? Earth sign. Sino ite? Someone na talagang lumalayo sa'yo. Oh my God. The Wheel of Fortune. May naririnig ako. This is fate. Like that. Fate. F-A-T-E. Okay? Parang ganyan. Some of you, meron kayong strong connection with this person. Kung sino man ito. Okay? So, yun. Ang aking nakikita pagdating sa inyo. All signs again. Don't forget to like, share, and yeah, subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.